The magical thing about GetGround Live is it's this unique opportunity to bring people together from our different offices around the world to build connection, to share ideas, and to really innovate.
You know, I've always dreamt of working at a place where people were incredibly capable and incredibly down to earth, and I've had the fortune of working at some great places that did that very well. But GetGround, I think, for me is the epitome of that. Is everyone who walks into the room is incredibly good at what they do, but at the same time they're incredibly down to earth.
The culture at GetGround is fun, and it's full of diverse people from all sorts of different backgrounds, professionally and personally. And so I learn something new every day, not just about work, the property space, the fintech space, but also about culture and people and where they're from. And I think that's amazing.
What I enjoy about GetGround Live the most until now is what I enjoy in the company, which is the people and the fact they're smart and you can just be yourself and your authentic self. That's what I like the most.
We've had some fantastic activities, we've travelled around London, we've had all our global colleagues join us. Being able to see people in my team who work in Singapore and the people that work in Portugal as well for the first time, really interact with them, get to know them and do some fantastic activities and really think and see the quality of what people have turned out in the workshops. That's been the best thing about GetGround Live.
We're a small organization working against the odds, trying to achieve really big things that haven't been done before. We're in the trenches, we get to know each other really well. And ensuring that everyone is in a good state of mind, is able to function at their best, is just something we do because it's the right thing to do and we care about it.